SAP Digital Manufacturing is transforming the factory floor. At Fujitsu, we help you make it real. We're with you from the start, from value assessments to help you plan, to implementation, optimization, and ongoing support with our managed services. End to end, we've got you covered. With SAP Digital Manufacturing, you get real-time insights, better quality, and smoother operations across every plant. And it doesn't stop there. We connect SAP Digital Manufacturing with SAP S/4HANA Cloud and tie it into the rest of your IT stack. The impact is clear. Customers have increased production by 150%, cut errors by 64%, and reduced inventory by 30%. With more than 45 years as an SAP partner and dedicated digital manufacturing specialists across the globe, Fujitsu brings the experience you can trust. Let's talk about how you can scale with SAP Digital Manufacturing and Fujitsu can transform your production.